Another way to do mental subtraction with a number bond is to take the subtrahend, the number that's being subtracted, and change it into a number that ends in 0, which is much easier to work with. To do this, I create a number bond. So in my problem of 77 minus 29, I'm thinking of a number close to 0 that I can change 29 in to, or round it to. So for me, that number is 30, since 29 is only 1 away from 30. 30 is my whole in my number bond. 29 is automatically one of the parts. The other part is 29 plus what equals 30, and that's 1. So my other part is 1. So 29 plus 1 equals 30. Right away, using my number bond, I'm going to get rid of numbers that I don't need. So I'm going to cross out 29 and 29 because I've already used them. And I'm going to rewrite this problem so it's easier to do in my head. 77 minus that number that ends in 0, the 30. Now all I have to do is subtract 30 from 77, or subtract 3 tens from 7 tens, which is 4 tens, and 7 ones minus 0 ones is still 7 ones. This time I used 30 from my number bond and in the subtraction problem. There's one more step for me to do before I'm done. In this step, I need to take the difference that I got when I subtracted 30 from 77 and bring it down for the last step. Now with that difference, 47, I need to subtract the 1 that I added to 29 to make it an easier number that ended in a 0, which was 30. Because really, I'm subtracting 29 from 77. I'm not subtracting 30 from 77. So to find out what 77 minus 29 is, I need to subtract the 1 that I added. So I'm going to subtract the last part of my number bond, the 1, and 47 minus 1 is a simple problem. 7 ones minus a single 1 is 6 ones. And my 4 in the tens place remains the same, so I get the number 46. So I can conclude that 77 minus 29, which was the original problem, is equal to 46. And I can certainly check my mental math by writing it a different way. Yep, let me get rid of that. 77 minus 29. Both my answers give me 46.